But I deal with a lot of wasps in the summertime, spring. So there's a lot of different ways to deal with them. Or swatting them, take your hat and hitting them, you know, swatting them with your hand, which my guys feel like, no, I would never do that. But anyway, so wasp spray doesn't seem to work. You see this one here? He got out before I could do what I'm going to show you. I found out where their holes are and everything in this particular area that we're going to be working in soon, and then I filled it full of silicone. All these cracks and holes, so I got to kill him or he'll sting me at some point. They eventually give up, but I've seen them come back for 4 or 5 days if you do, you know. So what you do is early in the morning, before they get all warmed up, fill them in, and they have to stay in there, which in this case is in the attic, and a lot of times that's the case. They end up in some high area where they can make a big nest, and they bring their spiders to their babies that they sealed up in there. And so anyway, this is what one of the things I do is get early in the morning and then fill those holes up. So you have to change your schedule around to do that sometimes. Or in the dead of the day, I've done it too, but then you have to deal with all the ones that have flown off and are coming back, but you don't have to deal with the ones that are inside there. So it's something to think about.